Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about a few things that every young adult माने मतलब जो the people who are nearing 20s or are in their early 20s. So this video is for them. A few things that I have learned as lessons in my life. So I'm currently 22 and I'm still learning. But then yeah, in the past few years, whatever I have learned, and I would like to share those experiences with you. So let's get started with the video. Okay, here we go. So the first thing that I took a lot of time to understand and learn is tracking my expenses. I knew it is important to track, where I'm spending a lot so that I can, manage it better the next time. So if you're in college or you just started working, there are chances that your parents are supporting you right now, or you might be getting your own source of income from your job, whatever it is. But then the major part is sometimes we struggle to manage our expenses कि कहाँ किधर क्या ज़्यादा जा रहा है या फिर क्या हो रहा है, पैसे नहीं रुक रहे हाथ में, something like that. So I think that is one major financial crisis की ओर जा रहा है, and it might cause you a lot of problems in the long run. So it's better to start understanding or learning how to track your expenses by the very young age. So okay, based on my experience, when I was in UG, I used to spend a lot of money on chai. Okay, so ऐसा है कि हर दिन मेरे को चाय पीना, and when you obviously go to a tea shop with your friends, there are chances that you might buy something to eat also, and that became a routine, and every day I started spending a lot on these things. So अगर मेरे को, if I now think about it, if I would have saved the amount of money I have spent on chai, I could have afforded at least 4 महीने का rent from that money. But then yeah, that is one thing I have learned. So to manage my expenses, what I did initially was, as a beginner, what I used to do was I maintained a diary, and I used to write food ऐसे करके and dress, college and something like ऐसे headings करके wherever I am spending what amount of money I am writing it down, so that just column में ज़्यादा आ रहा है, I can manage it next time better. So that was one thing I did during my college days, and I'm still practicing it. Secondly, what we have is learning small and easy skills that might help you in the future. So मेरे लिए मैं कह सकती हूँ photography and video editing. Basic video editing is actually important, and how to in the current scenario what is more important is ChatGPT, AI वगैरह के बारे में पता रहना, how to write prompts so that you get the expected results. So it might help you in the long run a lot. Especially in whatever I am doing right now, अपने वीडियो के लिए भी thumbnail generate करना, या फिर I usually do not, but then if it's if I want to try it, then it is necessary. So that it's important that you know all these छोटे मोटे skills, and how to post on LinkedIn about your achievements and all of that. So coming to the third point then, LinkedIn is a platform which might help you get to the recruiters, and most of the times people do not take it very seriously. But then before that, whatever you see on LinkedIn is not true. People might be putting exaggerated posts, including me. I also put sometimes कि I did this, I did that. मतलब करते हैं, किया भी है, लेकिन it does not mean that they have reached some extreme level of something कि तुम्हें अपने आप को अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील करवाने की ज़रूरत है. सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट बिफोर गेटिंग एक्चुअली इनटू लिंक्डइन एंड बिकमिंग ओवरवेल्म्ड विथ अदर पीपल्स अचीवमेंट. नो, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट इट इज़ फॉर. You can actually find motivation, inspiration from what they are doing or what they are posting, and do yourself a bit of it अपने career के basis पे, अपने achievements के basis पे. So what I would recommend is, whatever certificate you get on whatever thing, just put it on LinkedIn. It's okay, whatever. कॉलेज से जो भी आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिला है, कोई कोर्स कंप्लीट करने का, कुछ सेमिनार अटेंड करने का, किसी चीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट करने का, कोई रिकॉग्निशन, कुछ भी हो, just put it on LinkedIn. It's okay. It's your account, your platform. It is for achievements. You have to put achievements only. So please do that. It's good. when people look at your profile, क्योंकि आजकल के सिनेरियो में ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सिर्फ आपके वर्किंग स्किल्स को भी देख रहे हैं. दे आर लुकिंग एट अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. सो इफ़ इट इज़ देयर, देन वाई नॉट, right? It would add up on the CV. So yeah, that is about LinkedIn. Okay, next we have look presentable. I think most people think that this is not a very important point, पता नहीं क्यों people often neglect it a lot is what I feel. So a big part of who you are and who you would become is determined by how you portray yourself or present yourself in front of the society, in front of people. Okay, so if you are looking all shabby and आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से दिस, अब एक इंटरव्यू में एक इमेजिन करके देखो कि आप ऐसे शैबी बन के जा रहे हो या फिर ऐसे कोई नॉन कैजुअल ड्रेस में पहन के जा रहे हो, तो द पीपल सिटिंग देयर would not want such people to be working for them, right? So look professional, groom yourself. People know all these things, but they just tend to not follow it for some reason. So it's not a nice thing, honestly. It's not for others, it's for yourself. Okay, so yeah, that is one thing. Look presentable. Coming to the next thing, communication skills. Along with look presentable, this point adds up, and that is what majorly makes up your personality if you are going out somewhere and presenting yourself to people, right? So I think this has shaped a lot of my experience. Communication skills is ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी या फिर मैं फ्लुएंट नहीं थी, ऐसा कुछ, but then I just chose not to speak in front of people because I was scared that they would judge me. And gradually I've realized that I think I have been saying this a lot these days कि nobody actually cares. Please, if you want to work upon yourself, you have to. Nobody else will help you and come and save you कि भाई हाँ अभी करते एक साथ करते, नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता, सब अपना अपना देख कर जाएंगे. If you do not think for yourself, nobody would take you anywhere and you won't reach anywhere. Honestly, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ था. मैंने सोचा क्या हो गया, because okay, in my school it was not compulsory to speak in English, so I used to talk in Hindi with all my friends. I was in Delhi, I used to talk in Hindi, all these words, stupid words I used to speak. And in college I went to Bangalore, so again South India, my native tongue is Malayalam, so I found a lot of South Indian people and people from my region, so I used to talk in Malayalam with them, and that's why this whole English wala thing is not there. Although I have a good communication skill in Hindi, Malayalam and English, but then I never used this medium to talk. कहीं पर भी मैं बात नहीं करती थी because I was so scared in any language for that matter. But then what I've realized is there's no use if you're not making use of the skills you have. अगर तुम यूज़ ही नहीं कर रहे हो, then there's no point in having it also in the first place, right? So try talking to people, और ऐसे blogs करना शुरू कर दो. Writing also helps a lot. So communication skills is much more important than we actually think it is, and also maintaining eye contact while talking. If you are, अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ कैमरा में देखकर बात कर रही हूँ, अगर मैं ऐसे ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ, तो that does not look nice, right? So if I'm talking right into the camera, that explains a lot about me, that I'm confident with who I am and what I am and what I'm doing here. So yeah, that is about communication skills, and that's it for today's video. If you want more of these tips, I mean, these are not tips, basically these are the things which I think I have worked upon myself over the years so that I can help others also. That's why I'm speaking about these things here. So yeah, I hope I helped in some way. And एक और चीज़ मुझे बोलना है भाई, 4 लोगों के बारे में सोचना बंद करो. There is no 4 लोग in this society. Nobody cares. Do you care about what people are doing? No, right? Then why are you caring about what people will think when you do something? 4 लोग गए बाढ़ में, उनको गोली मारो, आप अपना काम करो. बिकॉज ऐसा कोई मुहूर्त नहीं आएगा, कोई नारियल फोड़ के नहीं बताएगा कि दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम, यू शुड स्टार्ट नाउ. दैट इज़ नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. इफ़ यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन, you have to start it. Nobody else will do it for you. So yeah, that is about today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.